Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel. So today's, guys, I'm going to be doing a nice glam birthday look. So you guys stay tuned and watch how I was able to achieve this look. I'm going to go out to the club later on tonight, you guys. This is my last night in Vegas and I definitely wanted to do a cute, nice birthday look for tonight, you guys. So I'm going to be using the Morphe Jacklyn Hill palette. As you guys already know, I've already done my brows, so we don't have to make the process any longer than what it has to be, because I don't think I got time for that. So I'm going to get started on my eyes, and yeah, you guys, we're going to get into this video right now. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be using this brush that I used in one of my previous videos. I got this brush from her Christmas for my little sister, you guys. So it's more of a full fluffy brush. It's going to be more for my blending transition color, you guys. So I'm actually going to start with this color Sparks, and we're just going to slightly, well, first of all, before I do that, you guys, using these shadow shields. So these you guys actually purchased from the Morphe store. It's really perfect for if you are doing your makeup and you don't want to have any residue on your face, before you apply your foundation, or if you want to do your makeup at an angle, or if you want to put your lipstick on or lip gloss on at a certain point and make it perfect. These are perfect for you guys, as I was saying. And we're going to make that into our transition color. Guys, now we're going to take my MAC concealer, color in C45, you guys, and I'm actually going to cut my crease using a tiny, thin, flat brush, and we're going to cut our crease, and then we're going to add our gold glam to our eyes, to our crease. So yeah, let's get into it. to this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys are loving it. This is super, super fab. This is like the ultimate glam for your B-Day, you guys. So I'm actually going to finalize my lip with this Maybelline Les Chocolates. Okay, this is more like of a nudie pinky color. And I'm going to gloss it up with some of this MAC lip gloss. So we're going to add in the lip first, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that finalizes my look for my birthday, you guys. I hope you guys like this look. Alright, new to my channel, you guys, if you like what you see, you like all of this makeup and this fabulous glam, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell on the side, and give me likes, you guys. Yes, give me some likes, you guys. And share with your fans and family. And yeah, you guys, I will see you in my next video. And happy Makeup Monday, you guys. Bye.